Let's talk about Amylyx Pharmaceuticals. Those shares were up 68% after FDA advisors backed the approval of the company's drug to treat ALS, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease. Yahoo Finance's Anjalee Khemlani joins us now to discuss. This approval, by the way, is not without sort of debate, right, Anjalee?
That's right. You had these outside advisors reverse their approval for this drug yesterday. And that comes as, a lot of focus on ALS, which affects about 30,000 people per year. And that is something that we see as, a neurodegenerative disease, a progressive neuromuscular disease. And that has a lot of implications for the well-being of someone's life and the ability to stay active for a lot longer, which is what this drug targets. Now, it's could join a short list of about 5 drugs that exist right now, but this specifically still has questions from these advisors, noting that it doesn't necessarily or may not necessarily prove a longer ability of life, a longer time span for someone to stay more active and slowing the progress of the disease. So that's sort of where things stand for ALS. The FDA does, for the company, and the FDA still needs to actually approve or decide on whether or not this drug will be approved. To that note about the hesitancy on the data, the company has also agreed to potentially taking the drug off market if it proves less effective than the trial data that was provided to these FDA experts.
And Anjalee, you're also tracking news about a new malaria vaccine.
That's right. The University of Oxford out with results for their malaria vaccine showing 80% efficacy after 3 doses. And that is made similarly to GlaxoSmithKline's vaccine, which was approved last year. And that vaccine also made of similar components. But University of Oxford believes that they have a stronger vaccine here, which could really rid, infants and babies of this potential disease. So that is something that the university has said they're ready to roll out. They have contracts in place as well for producing hundreds of millions of doses, including with partner Serum Institute of India, which we saw, of course, them working with COVID-19 together. So a lot going on there, potential to really increase the distribution of a vaccine like this. Meanwhile, GSK was only approved for use in Africa by the World Health Organization.